Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivots pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights today. So, first of all, President Trump is speaking at 12. So, more like a pump and dump in the market. Make sure what I'm expecting. I'm looking for a pump and dump. So, we are looking at the analysis at the 4-hour time frame. We have this trend line right here. What we are looking at? We are looking at a pump right in this area. If you see this dual directional candle right in this area, this dual directional candle, we have the volume closing up upside. The market is bullish. We see the recovery. So you will see in the afternoon time after 12, there will be a pump around 639, which was very crucial price target. Since February, we have been monitoring 639. Okay, 639.98, and again we will see the dump in this area. So if I show you the trend line right here, this is something we are looking at, this thing. So retest Fibonacci, another dump. So recovery from here. So if you are looking for the market at the market open, we are bullish, and then in the second half again we are looking for the market dump. Yesterday the market was in the sell side and then it closed at the buy side. So someone knew something that okay, there is a tomorrow some kind of announcement is coming, and that's why last 15 minutes the market was bought. Okay, moving forward to bull. Now I'll switch to the daily time frame, so we'll have a more clarity on this one. All right. So here we go. What we are looking at, we are waiting for a little bit more pullback. We are looking to buy anywhere from 1329 to 1355 area. So we are waiting. This trend will continue. And you have a death cross. We have a RSI bearish, means it's a clear direction that the price will go a little further down. So 1329 will start buying, and after that we will hold our position. Exit price will be 18.32. So we are looking for this $5 range from here. So from 1329 to 1832, that's $5 range that we are looking to trade on bull. Moving forward to coin is a little bit more downside because I was looking at in this area 200 EMA bounce, which is around 272. That will be a good buy. Okay, so we still have around another $30 for the price to go down. Okay, and there is a fair value gap left in this area. If you pay close attention, right in this area right here, there's a lot of area. This is the area of interest, and also the previous high right here. If you look at the previous high, also the gap, and this is where I'm expecting the price to come, 275.29. This is the area that I'll be looking to buy on coin. Till then, if you have any position here, go in the money covered call. Make sure your break even goes to 275. After that, you are in a safe zone. Overall trend is bullish. What we are looking at here, when the price started running from here at 158, we saw the expanding supply. You have a little bit of supply here, then we got the larger supply sideline, then we got the another one right here. So this supply, this one is bigger and this one is bigger. Again, we will have another bull run. After the price comes a little bit more downside. Right now we are negative. Bearish is RSI is bearish. We have a death cross going on the MSTR. So that we'll continue the price to drop a little bit more downside, somewhere around 273, 275. You will see a big breakout upside, okay, which will be around 451 area. So this is the area that you are looking at. We'll take down the all-time high price. So once the price starts running from 272, you are looking around 500 plus. Okay, moving forward to core view, we will continue holding our position. We have a dual directional candle at the bottom. Price is spinning. This is the very similar setup that we just analyzed on the coin. This is the very similar setup here on the core view. This is what we are looking at. We have the covered call for 12th of September for $90. We are on the share, we are losing about $19, but sorry, $9, but we are making $13 on the covered call. So we are in net profit on this trade. There is nothing to worry about. We'll let the trade go all the way to 12th September, and then we decide. Stock is bullish. Most likely you will see the next candle green, a recovery from here. Okay, worst case, this is the bottom you are looking at right in this area, which is 65 area. It will never go below 65. Okay, so even if it has to drop to 65, what will happen? It has to give you a little bit of bounce here, smaller demand than this one. Like this demand came, there will be a smaller here towards $100 and then drop. It will not continue dropping straight like this. Okay, moving forward to HIMS, the 40.80 was the real bottom at the 200 EMA. We should hold this area, 40.80, this point right in this area. So if this managed to hold 200 EMA, which is most likely the case, if you look at the MACD, the EMA cross is about to happen. 200 EMA price is holding. Next, we have the green candle dual directional, which we are holding in this area very strongly. So what you will see a bounce from here to 57 area. We are bullish, but in a recovery play. We are not yet going to $70. Make sure you know that. Okay, so from here, this all-time high to the Fibonacci level, you will see another sell-off anywhere from 57 area. So if I take this, which will become your wave 2 eventually, something in this area. So if I give you the wave, it will come here and then sell off, and then the third time, next time it will break, something like this. Okay, so right now we are looking for upside 57 area. That's where we'll be selling the call on this one, and on the retracement we'll close all of them, and then we let the right. We have a short put, 43 put is already out of money, and the 55 and 65, we have collected enough money on this one, and we have also closed enough profit on this. Okay, so we'll continue trading this. Unless this stock goes over $80, $75, we will not stop trading this one. Moving forward to Mara, we should be looking at the bottom to find here somewhere where exactly so today I'm giving the worst case and the good case. Okay, what will happen? So if you're looking at the worst case, if the Bitcoin continues selling off towards $100,000, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so if the Bitcoin continue dropping, this is the price you are looking at, 12 area, 1235, 1232 on Mara. But I'm very skeptical about Mara dropping in that area. Let me give you the precise where it should find the bottom. Give me a second. I will check if there is an update on the terminal. Okay. Most likely we are sitting at the bottom. Okay. This candle is the bottom, and then we should see the recovery here. But just in case, just for the confirmation, I'll go and check the system. Okay. Mara. All right. Come on, quick. All right, here we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, wave 2. Okay, upside we are looking at, downside we are looking at 14.46. That's what we are looking to hold, 14.46, right in this area, right here. Okay, so this was the 14.46. Yeah, so we have hit already 14.46. Upside we are looking at 21.50 price target, 21.50. There will be a recovery here from to the 19 area, this trend line, there will be a rejection, and then the third time will pull back, because this is the second touch point here. So third touch point failed. So 21.50 is our price target right here. Okay, 21.50 is our price target on Mara. Till then we'll continue holding. MSTR, we are almost about to turn bullish. We are holding the 200 EMA. We are squeezing in between of this trend line right in this area. Okay, it's a clear bull flag, wave 2. Wave 3 on MSTR will be epic. Okay, straight away putting it $515 to $600 price targets. Okay, overall stock is bullish. This 1 or 2 days drop right here in this area, because right now the market is sell off, and there will be a pump and dump today, because first it's a Friday, then there is a President Trump speaking, and there's a lot going on. And then the Jackson Hole, the Powell is also speaking at that conference today. So there is a lot going on. So before that, you will see a pump, a little bit of pump, and then another dump, and that will call the market bottom. Okay. Moving forward to NEO, I alerted yesterday to exit at 595. Right now it's trading at 584. So that was a good exit. Although we booked the profit last week itself, but just for the other people, those who are following us on Stock to It. Okay. Moving forward to Oscar, we are holding our short put position. Okay, we'll continue holding that one. This is the trend line right here. This is what we are looking at. And the bottom is found around 1286. Top is found around 21. This is the range we continue trading right in this area. This is what you are looking to trade for, about $8 range. Okay, what we are looking at right now, we are looking at this 200 EMA, which is most likely, I think it will fail. Okay, it will drop a little bit more, because what is happening, the first candle was successfully managing to hold 200 EMA. This candle, if you look at the first red candle, the wick is precisely close at 200 EMA, but the next one, the body is already crossing 200 EMA, means we are looking at the downside. So there's a little bit more downside before we start going up. Okay. QBTS, stay clear unless the price comes to 1255. I alerted at the 19.12 that it's not worth it, and exit while you can. 1255 all in anytime. Okay, as soon as the price continue dropping, RSI is bearish. We have a death cross going on. There is a more downside left before the golden cross comes right in this area. Okay, so we have a little bit more downside. I will take down the liquidity at this price, which is 1361. Anything below this is a buy, below this area. Okay, right in this area. So this is how you tap the previous low. By the time our buy will come, 99% of a holder will have a liquidation and will be out of their position. They will cut their position on the stop loss. Okay, so that's why always look at the previous low and buy below that. The market will always come to you. Previous low is the key area in the trading industry. Okay, never buy anything above this right here. Never buy anything. Always buy below this. Okay, so what we are looking at 1255 on the QBTS. Till then we are not taking any position. Rivian is showing a sign of a little bit of relief. Okay, it has been really bad. It should have not dropped to this area. What we are looking at, we are looking at this trend line right in this area. This stock has been for years trading between 10 when we first started trading at 953, then it went to 13, then again 1053 or 1040 something, then to 13 area. So this is the range it has been always, from 10 to 13. So there are two range on this one. If it's above 13, then it will trade between 13 to 17. And if it's below 13, then it will trade between 11 to 13, 50, 14 area. This is the range. Right now we are in the lower range. So we keep looking between 11 to 14. This is the range right now we are looking at. 11 to 14. Once we break out 14, then we'll be between 14 to 17 area. Okay. So right now, maximum upside, we are looking at 1451. RKT, yes. All right. Moving forward to SMCI. We are holding a short put on this position. We are almost break even. We were in profit. We did not close. A little bit of profit, but we are good on this one. Okay, we don't have to worry about anything. The price is, this will take off. Let me check if there is a new alert on this one. Okay, we are super bullish on this one. Just leave these 1 or 2 days right here up and down, which is going on right now. Okay, so the price target, the first price target on SMCI, we are looking at 68.64, and the second price target we are looking for 83.22. Super bullish, a lot of upside. Okay, the stock must hold 41.31. This is the area that we are looking to hold, 41.31, right in this area. So 41.31 should hold this candle, which was the previous low right here, the multiple support line. You see the 1, 2, 3. If I draw the line for you, you will see that there is a lot of support in this area, and it must hold in this area to make the bullish move towards 68.64. Overall bullish. If you are holding the position, nothing to worry about on SMCI. If you are not holding a position, it's good to add. There is a pending gap to fill here. If you are looking at this one, this gap has to fill right in this area. This is where the price is definitely going. Nothing can stop it. Okay, so if you're not holding, go for the short put. Moving forward to Tesla. All right, right here we are a little bit bearish at this point. What we were looking at, the symmetrical triangle breakout retest, but the retest did not hold, and it's not the fault of Tesla, it's the overall market. Right when one particular stock that you are monitoring and suddenly the entire market changes the direction, then that stock will not hold that technical analysis, and that's what's going on with the Tesla right now. Okay, Tesla is supposed to hold this symmetrical triangle, this one right here. Okay, right in this area. So this is what we were looking at, symmetrical triangle retest, but the price is back in the symmetrical triangle now. Okay, it's back in the symmetrical triangle. You see that? Okay, so what we are looking at now, as I was saying, there is a possibility, even if it's bullish, of one-time liquidity grab is possible, like one fake out. It's not bearish. It will be a totally fake out if this drop downward into 273 area. That will be a total fake out, and I'm ready for that. That's what I've been waiting for. 273 all in, 273.61. Okay, so there is a possibility that the Tesla will go for a liquidity grab. Overall stock is bullish. Any drop is a total fake out. So there is a difference when you are bullish on the stock and then you are bearish on the stock. So we are bullish on Tesla, but there is a possibility of a fake out, and this is what I'm monitoring right now. So one fake out down in this area, 273 area, take down this point right here, 273.21. Okay, equal low of this one right here in this area. Generally, you'll see this is how it works with the symmetrical triangle. 99% of the time, the stock, the retest and breakout upside, it will not. Okay, but sometime you will see when, especially the high beta stock like Tesla, MSTR, these kind of stock, they come down for liquidity grab, but that's a total fake out. There's not even as one single person you should think about it not buying if the Tesla is dropping at 273 area. Okay, moving forward, UNH, this is what we were looking at. This was wave 1. We were looking at 118. We were looking for the pullback. Overall, we are bullish. We are looking for 371, but we'll need a drop right in this area, which is wave 2. Okay, so from here, we are looking for a retracement into maximum 280 area. Okay, 280 and then shoot up again towards 330 area. Okay, so this is just a wave 2 going on right now. Okay, we'll wait. I'll wait for the entry around 280, 279 area, and then I'll write the wave 3. Okay, RKT. All right, Rocket Company. Looking at the chart, the price has already gone up. Let me check what's going on here. All right. RKT's 1729 was the price target. We have hit the price target on Rocket Lab. I think it's better that you exit all the trade on this one. There is no point trading this stock anything. If you are holding a position, you close your position. If you are waiting to buy, stay clear of this one. Okay, there is no buy in this area, not until 14.27 right here, 200 EMA, or right in this area, which is 12.19. The moment is a momentum. If you see right here is bullish, but this is the time to exit the position. Do not buy, do not hold. If you are if you're holding a previous position and in loss, add some merit put in this area. You should have right away a look on the left. Look at here. So clearly a cup, the retracement is coming right in this area. If you look at, so when you have a stock which has done equal high, okay, this is the kind of drop you are looking in this area. And before it has an upside, okay, it will go up, but right in this area there will be a drop, and there will be a solid drop, not $1 or $2. Okay, we are looking at approximately $4 to $5 drop. Okay, so I am a buyer around 1427 at 200 EMA. Till then, I'm not touching this. If you are holding a position and you are in profit, exit your position right now. Okay, there is no point holding it any further. So this point, another issue is this point, higher high, and let me show you what's going on here. So this is the higher point, and this becomes the lower high trend. This is where the market will trap. So these people, those who bought it here, will not be able to exit, and there will be a new bag holder in this area. The price will drop. Okay, so it's better to exit the position and stay clear until it drops to 1427. All right. Moving forward, Algorand, one of our favorite. We have been holding this one. We are waiting this drop that we are looking at. Precisely, we took the exit yesterday. I'll go on a 4-hour time frame. What we did yesterday, day before yesterday, we bought it at 24. We took the exit at 25.75. Right, we took the exit in this area. This is the area that we traded. We took the exit right in this area, the second candle right in this area, the body right in this area, 25.75, and since then it's been going dropping down. Now we have a breakdown, clear breakdown downside. RSI is bearish. We have a death cross, and this death cross, when something interesting to learn here, when the death cross appear below the zero line, these are very, very bearish. Okay, death cross here is bearish. This is dangerous one. It means it's selling off and it will sell further. That's what it means. Means the people are continuously selling, not even a single green candle. Look at this one. And when this big green candle came, we booked the profit in this area, a solid profit. We had a 50x leverage position. We took an exit. There was a reason we knew it. Okay, there was a sell-off going on, sudden spike in the volume, and then the volume died on the next candle right in this area. So when you see this kind of situation, like one spike, like highest volume candle green, means buy, and suddenly the volume die on the next candle. Okay, in next 4 hours, suddenly the buyer disappears. What does it mean? Means they are just looking to exit, pump and dump. Means someone is trying to do the pump and dump. Means some whales or something, just pump it, took the exit and out. So what we are looking for? We are looking for an entry anywhere from 20 to 37. That's where we'll be taking a 50x leverage position again. So 22.37, till then we are watching it. If the trend changes or anything happens, we're monitoring the candle to candle in 4-hour time frame. If something changes, then we'll be alerted. Okay, moving forward to ADA Cardona. This is what we are looking at right here. Okay, right here, next candle will be green. Let me tell you that the market price will recover. Why it will recover? RSI is almost oversold. We have a death cross going on, means recovery will begin. You see the smaller volume candle means there is no seller. The volume is dying. We are at 200 EMA. We are at the channel of the bottom. Everything is bullish about Cardona right in this area. Okay. Although I was looking for an entry anywhere from 68 cents, but from here it will bounce and then come back. So it's not going to continue sell off. If we are looking at right here, this is what we are looking at, 92, and then come to 68 right in this area. So this is the kind of pattern we'll see. You'll see the first lower high in this area like this. So from here there will be recovery, and then there will be another sell-off moving forward. So next 14-15 days, expect that market will be very choppy. You will see a lot of discount around equity in the next 15 days. This is the time that you are selling put. This is the time you are accumulating your position. This is the time you are selling more put, averaging out your position. This is not the time to book the profit for next 2 weeks. This is the time to build your position and be ready for October, November, December, where you can materialize a lot of profit moving forward. Okay. Is the max pain something to take serious on? Which one, Sarah? Which stock is which one? All right, continue before by the time she replies, then we'll revert to her. All right, so what we are looking at on the Bitcoin, clear negative bearish. We have a little bit more downside. I'm hoping we'll find the bottom somewhere around 109,000. That's where I'm looking at recovery. Okay, I don't see any recovery in this area unless the president himself pump the market. Okay, on the bull, I will go on the bull after this. Okay. So Bitcoin, a little bit more downside. The market will definitely recover in next few days, but at least for a couple of days, you will see another little bit more downside is left. We are almost there where we are have a recovery bounce. Okay, ICP will buy ICP right in this area. 496, good to buy. Okay. If you're looking to open a position, 496 is your price. So we are right at the trend line, right in this area. Okay, good to buy here and hold for 610. Again, similar range we have been trading. We have traded multiple times, 521 to 610, and again we are looking at the 610 area. So this is a good buy. We are right at the price where we need. We have also been waiting on Solana to buy 178. I think we have hit our price target. This is what we were looking at. Okay, so this is where we are looking at. So we are looking at right in this area, 172 area. Okay, give me a second. Let me see where Solana is going. So USD. Okay, Solana wave of 3, 4, 169 we should be looking at 169.05. That's a good area to buy. So we are almost about $7-8 left. Okay, so keep on a close eye and keep be ready to buy. There is not a lot of downside left. 169, 170 area is a good buy on Solana. So 170, grab the token as soon as possible. Okay, and most likely there will be a wick. 175 is our Fibonacci level. After that, there will be a candle, and most likely you will not see a candle forming under. You will see a wick, the price going down quickly and coming back. Okay, right now it's bearish. We have a death cross on this one, and so there is a downside. You should be able to grab a 170 area, the Solana, and then ride all the way back to 206 and 281. This will explode when the Bitcoin start recovering. Most likely in the last quarter, you will see the market exploding like anything. Okay, the Bitcoin hitting anywhere from 170 to $190,000. Solana hitting around 300 area. You will see Algorand hitting 0.40 cent. You'll see Cardona going anywhere from 160 to, let me give you where ADA is going. So it's just a matter of time that we are watching the market. Okay, if you want to know where the Cardona will be, We are in wave 2 on the Cardona. We are looking to buy anywhere from 78 cent. We already have another position going on, which we bought it at 0.78 before. We are in a little bit of profit, and again, right here, we bought it somewhere in this area. Where did we buy 0.78? Okay, I think we. Oh, I'm not sure if our order is filled or not. Okay, let me check. I think we have a position. Which account I have? Okay, anyway, even if we have a position 0.78 is our buy. We are still at 5 more cent. Okay, we have to end because the market is opening. So 0.78 is our area that we're building our position, and then we are holding for. If you want the final exit of the price, this is what we are looking at. Lock. Okay. So there's a big breakout on this as well. All right, where we are looking to exit. Okay, anywhere from 163. So $1.63. So if you're buying at 78, hold your position for 160 at least. That's the price target we are looking at. So do not exit this time at 92 or 97. If you manage to get the position at 78, hold all the way. This is going 2x from here. Okay, let's move back to bull. What's your question on the bull? All right, bull right in this area. Yes, you should take the max pain in the condition, but okay. We are looking at a recovery here. Let me just give me a second here. I need to see because it's a new stock. There's not enough data to analyze. So there is a possibility of being wrong somewhere. All right. Wave 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 10, 8, 3 is coming. All right. So we have the higher high here and go on a 4-hour time frame. And to the terminal, what is say right in this area. All right, wave 2, wave 3, yes, 1305. All right, I think 1305 is the price target. We should be ready on bull. 1305 right in this area, which is also the Fibonacci level, and that's what's coming on the 1305 to 1853. This is the range that we should be looking at. So 1305 to 1853. So right in this area. So this is the area that we should be looking at. We should be ready for any time at 1305 and not below that. I don't think it will go below 1305 because I'm looking at 4-hour time frame. So there is a solid support in this area, and we will complete this near the pending market at 1305. So I think 1305 is the very realistic. Okay, and from 13 we will go for 18.53 and even 19.37. So right now downside, I'm looking at 2 different price target, which is we are on one of them right now. So 1390 is the bid right now, and the 1391 is the support line. So either we will hold this one or we will straight go to 1305. That's it. There is nothing in between of 1390 to 1305. So I will be ready for 1305 and then ride all the way back to 1853 and 1937. So that's the price target we'll be looking at. So approximately $5 to $6 upside from 1305. I will make sure 1305 I close all my covered call, double down my position on the share, and short long dated put on 1305, probably January 2026, January 2027, and collect as much premium as possible right at 1305. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. The market is about to open. I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. Make sure today you know that the market will pump and dump. Okay. Market is not bullish and not bearish, but there is a lot of event happening. Powell is speaking in the Jackson Hole, and President Trump is speaking at 12. He will try to pump the market, and as our favorite, Powell will try to dump it. All right. Thanks. Bye.